Hello friends, today I will explain about the count function in Excel. In a count functions there are four type of function friends. I will explain about these four type of count functions. Another one is also there which is count if s, which is advance of counter. That function will be explained in a separate video friends. Okay, first I will explain about the count function. Okay, so this is the sample data for the same friends. From these data I will explain you the how count function will work in Excel. Okay, go to formula friends equal to count, simple count, select the data friends, select the rows which you need to count, simple, close brackets press enter. So if you see here it is showing as 5 friends because here there are it is the Excel is finding the 5 values friends, 1 2 3 4 5. It simply count the values friends, nothing else. It will only calculate the cell which is having the values, whether it is minus or negative or positive, it doesn't care. Okay, I will apply the formula to the downward friends. So if you see here there are only 3 is coming because here see friend, column 1 is having 10 and column 2 is having nothing, no value is there. That's why it is not counting that. And column 3 is having a value and column 4 is having a value and column 5 is not having a value. That's why it is showing as 3 friends. So same for here also. When I if you see the this row friends, all columns having the values, that's why it is showing as 5 friends. Okay, so we moving to next function friend. So this is count function friends. Now I'm moving to count all friends. Okay, we'll see the formula equal to count all means this is the function friends, count a. Okay, go and select the values same as done in the count function and press enter friends. Okay, just I will apply the formula and I will explain friends. Okay, if you see here friends, here as I said, okay, I will remove the cell color for these friends to get more clarity. Okay, now I will explain about the this row friends. Okay, here it is showing as 5 because all columns having the values. Clear? Now I will come to this column, this row friends. Here it is showing as 4 because it is counting the column 1, column 2 also it will count friends because it is there is an text written in this file friend, it is a hyphen, so it will count this one also friend, and column 3 also it will count and column 4 also count, but column file will not count friends because it does not have any value. And here also if you go to in this, for this row it is the value is there in all the column friends, so it will come as 5. And go to, if you move to 7 row friend, which will have a highlight, see 1 2 and there is no value here, so it will not calculate that, and 3 and 4, that's why it is coming as a 4 here friends. Okay, it will not calculate or it will not count blank friends. Clear? Same up to all rows friends. Okay, now I will explain about count blank friends. Count blank itself indicates it will only count the blank cell friends. Okay, I will show in the formula. Count blank, select the data, wherever the value is greater than 1 friends, that row is having the blanks. Here see, because of this blank cell it is showing as 1 friends, and here also 1 is there friends, so because of the blank cell here it is showing as 1. Here also because of this one it is showing as friend. Here also same friends. So simply it will count only the blank cell, friends. Okay, now I'm moving to another function, friend, which is count if. So here we need to give a range and criteria, friends. So I will go into the formula, okay, to get more clear. Equal to count if. See here, friends, it is asking for a range, friends. Okay, for range you need to give all the five values, friends. Okay, so this is our range, comma, for see here, friends, the criteria is highlighted, which indicates we need to enter the criteria. So open the double quotes and enter, friend. I want the values to be counted greater than 1, friends. Okay, any logic you can given, but in here I need the values which is having greater than 1, friends. Okay, so press enter. I will explain, friends. Okay, here the now I will deselect all the colors from here. Okay, see here, friends, here the value is coming as 4, because if you see the logic, I had counted the values only greater than 1. So these two it has calculated, friends. These two values it has calculated, and these two values it has calculated. It has counted, simple. It has counted greater than 1, friends. Same logic apply here. That's why it is showing as 3. If it is 1, it will not count it. It will not count, friends. Greater than 1 only it will count. Here if you see it will coming as 4. Same up to here, friends. Here the value is 0. See, friends, because this row is having only the values equal to 1, friends. See, which I highlighted right now. Okay, so friends, this is explanation of count function, friends. I hope you enjoyed the formula. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.